Good evening, Livio. Regano with tonight's weather. Well, autumn showers have commenced their invasion of our coastline, though so far only Mackay has had significant rainfall, 29 millimetres. To a greater or lesser extent, showers will be with us now for several days, indeed for as long as the southeast wind blows. Temperatures today, 29 degrees for Bowen and Proserpine, got to 30 in Collinsville, just 26 for Mackay where it's been a little bit more cloudy, and 25 for the Whitsundays. On the satellite loop, folks, it looks pretty quiet over Queensland, but just remember that these infrared photos don't show up the low clouds so well. There is, in fact, quite a lot of cloud on the North Tropical Coast where the showers have been falling, and another lot around Fraser Island, which is directly in the firing line of the southerly winds. On today's chart, we've got a fairly large high. It's been sitting over near Adelaide for some time. We probably thought it'd get a bit more mobile, but it hasn't. Nevertheless, we've got southeast winds reaching close to warning force between about Bowen and St Lawrence, but still no reports greater than 25 knots. A little bit of fog in the hills over the southern ranges as well, where the winds are a lot lighter. On tomorrow's chart, we find the high does start to get mobile. It grows as it moves into the Tasman Sea. Still southeasterlies along the coast. By this stage, showers will be just about anywhere. Again, the hot spots will be the North Tropical Coast and across through Fraser Island. And now for the outlook chart, you'll see that the high actually grows as it races away, and that will maintain the ridge of steady southeasterlies along the coast. In the southeast winds, things will deteriorate a little bit as an upper cold pool moves across, but otherwise the same story. And now the official forecast. In coastal waters from Bowen to St Lawrence, we've got 20 to 25 knot southeasterlies blowing all day tomorrow, and in fact they'll blow the same strength right through Saturday and Sunday. For tomorrow, highest tides, it's about 11:30 for Mackay, about 11:30 also for Hay Point, just a little bit earlier, 11:15 or so for Shute Harbour. And now we've got scattered showers for the Central Coast and Whitsundays tomorrow, and in fact for Saturday, Sunday as well, with winds mostly moderate to fresh from the southeast. And for the Central Highlands and coalfields, just isolated afternoon showers, east to southeasterly winds again, and a similar outlook for the whole weekend. Tomorrow's tops now, 27 for Mackay, same as today, 29 for Bowen, and 29 also for Moranbah. And for the 6-day outlook, we've got 27 degrees right through the week and through the weekend, and just a shower or two, just occasionally passing. In a desperate attempt to avoid sunrise and sunset photos, I've come up with this quirky number from Tim Sayre. At first you'd be fooled into thinking it's just a long cloud, but closer inspection reveals it's a heavenly sign telling us the way to St Peter's pearly gates. That's all from me, folks. Have a nice evening. I'll catch you tomorrow. Now it's back to you, Rob.
Good on you, Liv. Thanks very much. Just before we head off tonight, a reminder of our phone poll on the plan to introduce daylight saving in the state's southeast. Now, if you support the split time zones, phone 1902 558 040. If you're against the idea, 1902 558 041. The polls are open now. They won't close until midnight. And of course, we'll have the results for you tomorrow night. From the team, see you then. Good night.